You know who I can't see as well?
Oh yeah man, I see Marlene them great.
Alright,
See it, yeah?
me daughter. Little more.
The
Yeah.
famous process. This is what, peanut cake? Mad. Brickley.
Yeah.
Mad. And them life that we are living on, that we are dealing, you know.
You have to put on credit card this time, but you see $5.
Oh, tami $100 dala.
Yeah, okay, $100.
$10 dala.
Just one minute.
Lime.
Man, never call you.
Them alright, you know.
Peanut brickle made from the real Jamaican peanut. This is Cornwall special, you know. Cornwall special. I'm gonna work it like a machine. Yes, I know. And see we gasoline, yeah. Real. Oh, that log good. See hard. So even the smoke from it are going high flavor, you know. So cannot be duplicated nor imitated. One place you find this. Cornwall, the Cornwall special peanut, yeah, peanut brickle. I just press a general engineer right here, you know. Miss Lovey over there. She's the supervisor making sure all the ingredients are properly set. That's how it go. What's next? So more life and more joy, you know. Right there, so. General right there, so you call him pirate. And him are the overseer of everything. So yeah man. See it there? See the peanut there? Yeah. That's Cornwall's gold. Yeah. So I was so bold. The money maker. Everywhere we go. Farming we say evening till the morning. More life and more joy and more happiness. See? Bless.